Welcome to 2026. The way we learn, adapt, and build skills has changed forever. You no longer need to wait for permissions, massive student loans, or fixed schedules to master a skill. The greatest educational ecosystem ever built is already at your fingertips. Think of YouTube as the ultimate global library. Millions of hours of lectures, practical demonstrations, and expert insights are organized on digital shelves 24/7. Whether it's video editing, coding, or modern marketing, the world's best mentors have already stocked the shelves for you. A library gives you access to knowledge, but AI gives you guidance. Think of artificial intelligence as your 24/7 private tutor. It breaks down complex concepts, tests your understanding, corrects your mistakes, and designs personalized study roadmaps tailored specifically to your pace. Here is the winning formula. Step 1. Use YouTube to gather knowledge from the library. Step 2. Use AI to quiz yourself, clear doubts, and refine your work. Step 3. Turn that knowledge into real-world projects. That is how you build practical authority without spending a dime. In today's fast-paced world, action speaks louder than paper certificates. High-value clients and top businesses look for proof of skill. By combining the vast library of YouTube with the precision of your AI tutor, you build proof of work that stands out anywhere. The tools are ready, the library is open, and your private tutor is waiting. The only question is, are you ready to learn? Subscribe to Drisha Pot today and take control of your self-education journey. See you in the next video.